guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in partnership with a company called Sogoodhair. I've done collaborations with them previously, but because I love their hair so much, they've been sending me quite a bit of hair. So I wanted to show you guys this one I have on today. So the unit I have is their 22-inch lace frontal wig, and it's 150% density. So I've just applied some curls through the hair. I'm just gonna brush it out because I haven't actually brushed it out. And basically I forgot how much I like body wave hair, because once you've curled it, it really holds the curls more compared to like straight hair. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is what the front of the wig looks like too. So I did go ahead and bleach the hair with just peroxide, the bleaching powder and cream. I did make it into like a really thick consistency like normal. I do have quite a few videos on this, but yeah, I just applied it onto the lace frontal. There was lace at the front and the back, so you could pack the hair up if you wanted to, but I left the I left the bleach on the lace front for about 20 minutes. I did maybe a little bit more to be honest, because I feel like I did bleach it a bit too much. So what I did do is I went in with my silver shampoo and conditioner just to get rid of any brassiness, and I think like it's fine. It's not too orange or anything like that. But I do have videos on how I install their wigs, so I'm going to leave them linked down below, because I have tried their deep wave hair, a long version and a short version, so I'll leave that link down below, and I'll leave the cards up there as well. Yeah, I really like this length as well. I feel like this type of length is like, you know, like graduation length. Like, I don't know if that makes any sense, but I'm thinking that I might wear this hair for graduation, because it just gives you that like mature, formal. I feel like it's nice for like a formal event, especially with like curls like this. I'm really like happy with how it turned out. But yeah, I think it's cute. I might try and do another style as well for you guys to see, because you can pack it up, but I might try and do like a half up, half down, because I like the way the edges came out. I don't know how to like, I'm not really good at doing that whole no baby hair thing, so I did put baby hairs, but I do think like with this lace you could have gotten away with not having any baby hairs, because if you look closely, it does quite bit like here, it does really blend in with the skin. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe and comment. That would be amazing, and I will see you in my next one, guys. Bye.
Had my last fight on my boyfriend. I don't wanna work it out. It's over and done. Sick of my boss, told him I quit. Don't notice I just left. My boyfriend, I don't wanna work it out. It's over and done. Sick of my boss.